But we begin with breaking news in the ongoing saga over the Fulton County election interference investigation. A judge has issued a deadline or he will dismiss the case. Good evening. I'm Courtney Bryant.
And I'm Russ Spencer. This afternoon, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee gave the state prosecuting attorneys council 14 days to appoint a new prosecutor in the case, or else that case will be dismissed. McAfee's order comes after courts removed Fulton County DA Fani Willis from the case. Last month, the state Supreme Court upheld her removal over the appearance of impropriety related to her romantic relationship with special prosecutor Nathan Wade, whom she hired. Even though Wade left the case last year, the courts ruled that DA Willis should no longer prosecute this case.
The judge's order follows a surprise announcement from the state capitol today. A state Senate committee that has questioned the actions of Willis in the 2020 election interference case dropped another bombshell. At the end of a 90-minute public hearing, the committee chairman announced that Willis has apparently given up her legal fight and will testify before the committee next month. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is at the state capitol with the details. A lot of new developments tonight, Deidre.
A lot of new developments, that announcement coming during a 90-minute session this morning, that hearing underway at the state capitol. And as it wound to a close, we did learn that attorneys have been negotiating behind the scenes, apparently, with the committee chairman announcing that DA Fani Willis has agreed to appear before the panel and answer their questions next month.
We need her input. We need her to tell us what does she think is appropriate behavior by a prosecutor so that we can build it into the law.
Senator Bill Cowser chairs the Senate committee investigating Fulton County DA Fani Willis's alleged misconduct in connection with the Georgia elections interference case. After months of back and forth and legal challenges, the committee announced during Friday's hearing that Willis is scheduled to appear before them on November 13th. Attorneys are still working out the terms.
She has agreed to testify in front of our committee to honor our subpoena, and she wants to limit the scope of the questions. I'm negotiating that with her attorney now.
Willis came under fire after she was accused by one of the defendants in the elections interference case of having an inappropriate relationship with former special prosecutor Nathan Wade and having financially benefited from that relationship. Both Wade and Willis denied the accusations, but following multiple hearings and appeals, Wade stepped down. In September, the state Supreme Court held up a lower court ruling disqualifying DA Willis from the case.
I keep repeating, we're not on some witch hunt against Fani Willis here. You know, that's been left up to the judicial system, and essentially the courts have removed her from prosecution for a variety of reasons.
The Senate committee doesn't have the power to prosecute Willis or remove her from office, but can make recommendations as to whether new laws or ethical guidelines are needed for DAs in Georgia.
I think that's a good thing. She's been the center of attention so much, so it'll be good for her to actually come and give her side, so to speak.
Now, we did reach out to Attorney Willis's attorney for comment this afternoon, and we haven't yet heard back. We're still waiting to hear their response as to this latest news that dropped this morning. Reporting at the state capitol, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Deidre, thanks. On now.